Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my August Allure Beauty Box. Get yourself together, lady. September's box will be here Monday. So I thought since I was already recording a video, I would go ahead and at least get the footage done and complete it for August. And then I'll just record September's when September box arrive on Monday. Today's Saturday. And then I'll just put the two videos together and it'll go up as one video. How you doing? How is y'all day, you beautiful people? This is what it looks like. Now I did take the contents out to take some photos so I can post it on Instagram. Y'all go follow me over there, those who have an Instagram account. Let's be buddies over there too. And but I tried to put everything back the way that it was sent. I signed up under Alex here on YouTube, Life of a City Girl. I saw her video and I was like, you know what, I'm going for it. I'm just going to try. Now, I watched Southern Mom's, Nikki, video, and she was saying, you know, you can order this box through Amazon. So I just want to share that information. If you're a Prime, you can order it with Prime. If it's your first time, she stated that they would honor the $10 for the first box, and then each month it would be $15 going forward if you want to avoid Allure's customer service, because she stated in her video they wasn't the best. I don't know what what has happened, but that was what Nikki stated, and I do trust Nikki. So I went into this knowing, though I was using Alex's referral link, that you keep in the background that their customer service might not be that great. I have a number of about 3 months, so this is box 1. Again, box 2 is coming Monday, and then I'll get one in October. Then I'll gauge from there if I want to continue with Allure Beauty. What do you have, girlfriend? So I hope I made myself clear. If you click my referral link per se, your first box will be 10 more bucks. Sometimes you get a little sign up product, I guess, I don't know, but it'll be $10, and then your subsequent months would be 15 if you stay with them. In this little booklet, it'll go through the products that they sent you and I guess suggested use and more, information. We got a neon, one time for us from the 80s. Baggy here. I like that it's transparent. You can see through it and that it's colored. Cool beans. Let's go with the 2 items that's outside of the bag. So item number 1 is some eye-catching instant results. A silky all-in-one hydrogel eye patch formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients to tackle the major skins of under eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. This multitasking eye patch is a high-powered serum infused with algae extract, vitamin B3, some word I can't pronounce, to deliver immediate results under the eye area. Next thing we have is a Sunday Riley. First Sunday Riley ever out of all the boxes I've tried. First Sunday Riley in the house, unless I done forgot something. A+ high dose retinoid serum. Advanced strength retinoid serum delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinoids. I'm sorry, they're using that word a lot. And retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. CoQ10 and honey is also in this. And this is, come on, roll, 0.27 ounces. Okay. I was just watching Miss Vicky's video last night, and she has gotten a Macy's box. Or was it the night before, dear Lord? And she got something from Sunday Riley in her Macy's box, and I thought her Macy's box was so nicely done. And I remember a bit back that I was curious about the Macy's box and saw a review that was horrendous, and it turned me off from trying. And when I saw Miss Vicky's on, I was like, you know what, this is why you have to try certain boxes for yourself and just see how it goes. Next thing we have here, but she did get a Sunday Riley in her box. Their Real Benefit. It's a mascara. Never had a Benefit mascara. Got the makeup eraser. Now I was watching Leah's video, and Leah says you have to watch these. Or was it Leah? It was somebody's video. And they were like, people just take these out of the box and begin using them and say, you know, why isn't it working? You need to wash it first, and it'll activate whatever's in it, and then therefore you can begin to use it. But if you don't know what this is, it erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundations, and lipsticks. And it has all these excellent seals. So it's supposed to be safe unless you have an allergy to it. So yes, it has the directions right here, guys. Wash, wet, you know, and use and repeat type of thing. I'm pretty sure once I open it up, it'll tell you how many uses, how many face cleans you can get. And then you need to use your own better judgment and know when to pop it in the washing machine. Next thing we got here, guys, is a liquid beam. Let me open this up so you don't just see boxes. Ooh, that's sexy. That's a nice sexy. Solid gold. Remember that TV show? Madam? Madam was a trip. Madam used to freak me out though a little bit. I'm just going to just put that out there. This is in the color Topaz. If the camera wants to, you know. And this is a multi-purpose liquid illuminator. Okay. So I guess we can just dab this wherever we like. Multi-purpose liquid illuminator. Next thing we have here is Cargo. The company Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color Rouge, and I have, I know that don't say Punta Cana. Man, I watched this movie on Netflix about 7 years ago. I don't know. Yeah, about 6 at least years ago, and they were like, yeah, puntas, so. So I went running around the house, punta. My daughter speaks pretty decent Spanish, so does my mom. And they were like, do you know what you're saying? So my son was like, Mom, you can't keep saying that. I was like, what is it? LOL. Trying to get in here, guys. All right. Oh, man. Ah, come on, y'all. They're really hook and roll up with the colors this month. Look at that. That's cute. And I washed my hands before the video, so that's why I felt somewhat comfortable doing it. Puna Cana. That's rich. Very vibrant in color, and it's got like a creaminess to it. 2 more things and we'll be done, or finished, as my old English teacher, language art teacher would say. What is this? Nura. I'm just not gonna say the names because this would be Butcher City today. But this is a triple action eye cream with mulberry root, ginseng, native to China. They're trying to get eye cream, gently squeeze to dispense and massage eye area with a soothing tip. Use AM or PM. And you guys know the drill. If it gets in your eyeballs, you know, you want to wash it out. It's even saying on the back here that it has cucumber and ginseng. It's been used for centuries to help diminish the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. Specially formulated for the delicate eye area, this triple duty eye cream nourishes skin and restores radiance. It also is supposed to have vitamin C, E, and A, made without parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. And that's what Stop Rushing gets you, a little bit more information. And then this is the tube. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to see here real fast how many ounces. 15 milliliters, 0.5 fluid ounces. I appreciate this. I'm really not going to complain about the eye creams because the Ulta manager said I conceal under my eyes really well. I have anemia, I always have as long as I can remember. And I eat ice really bad, which don't help. And so under my eye, this entire area here, if you see me do a few videos with no makeup on, and you can see it for yourself, that the whole perimeter here is dark, very dark. And I don't really do the puffiness, and then the fine lines, I'm probably getting 1 or 2 here. So I've been trying to start being more responsible with my skin, building a habit to just stop. I have a tendency to be really on top of it and then slack off for a week or 2. And it's like, who the hell does this? So I'm trying to be more consistent. And the last thing in there is Primera Cream Hydrator or Illuminator, a nourishing moisturizer that protects. Alpine Berry Water Cream, Hydrate and Glow, 0.16 ounces. Okay, I'm gonna open this guy up, y'all. Oh boy. Yeah, I remember seeing this guy in people video. It's supposed to be very expensive. And so everyone wanted to make sure you knew that it is extremely hollow and you're only getting a teensy weensy bit of this product. I don't know. I guess it's some kind of miracle worker. I'll be sure to try it out, but I don't believe the number. I don't remember the exact number. I just remember it being very pricey. And I was like, I'm not going to be that guy. Let's see if it states in the book. I'm finna pause real fast. Oh, heck, guys. It's 40 bucks at Sephora. I watched too many videos and I'm getting my information crossed up. So in full size is 40 bucks. Let me do this really quick with you guys. I'm sorry. My apologies. 22 for the multi-purpose illuminator liquid beam. This magic eraser, full size, not this, little travel guide baby here, would be about 12. And there is some coupon codes for all these different things if you want to buy them independently. So that's very good to know. $40 for this guy. And it actually tells you in this book where you can go, how long you have to use the coupons, and etc. The eye patch is $35. There is a promo code and where to buy it. The Benefit mascara, no promo code, but it's $25 for the full size, not the sample size in the marketplace. And I think I covered everything except for the cargo lipstick would be $22. There is a promo code. It does have an expiration date listed and where to buy it. So that's pretty awesome. I gotta shut it, especially if I intend to put September with this video. I may just end up posting it separately since I'm looking at the clock time for this video. This was $10, so I think that this was totally worth it. And yeah, you know what, if you want to leave this part of the video, go ahead. I'm fixing to use about 3 or 4 more minutes to product review a couple of things. So thanks for watching my first Allure Beauty Box unboxing and listening to me just ramble on. And I hope you come back Monday or Tuesday to see what my September box has. I haven't sneak peeked or anything, and it was a variation between a couple of products, so I'm interested to see what they picked for me. And I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have a blessed day, folks.